How to output Loop.Counter in Python Jinja template. I want to be able to output the current loop iteration to my template. According to the docs, there is a Loop.Counter variable that I am trying to use. But it's being outputted to my template. What is the correct syntax?
The counter variable inside the loop is called Loop.Index in Jinja 2. In addition to Loop.Index, there is also Loop.Index 0, index starting at 0. Loop.RevIndex, reverse index, ending at 1. Loop.RevIndex 0, reverse index, ending at 0. Even more at this URL.
Inside of a for loop block, you can access some special variables, such as Loop.Index, but not Loop.Counter. From the official docs.
If you are using Dango, use for Loop.Counter instead of Loop.Counter.
Real-life example.
Faz uma chapa na line